your act together, we could be just fine. If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna.
Dalam menjemput perubahan kita butuh keberanian, kemampuan personal maupun kerjasama serta konsistensi dan menjaga tekad untuk mewujudkannya.
Tepat 29 Maret 2020, LP3I telah menoreh jejak di seluruh negeri selama 31 tahun.
LP3I berani mandiri, berani punya skill. Selamat ulang tahun LP3I yang ke-31. LP3I berpotensi pasti.
We are Secretary of LP3I College Banda Aceh. We wanna say Happy birthday LP3I yang ke-31.